So in this video, I'm going to tell you one of the secret things we do not know about computer programming language. What is the actual computer programming language? Like some of us when we hear about computer programming language, we become scared or we become maybe paranoid that this what we're talking about has to be something really huge that is beyond your imagination. No, don't think that way. Because when it comes to this of our AI that we're currently on recently as of with this age, things with advertisement that's ongoing, things looks like as if this is the world for us, this is the end of the world for us that for some of us that do not know anything concerning programming language. So the one thing you should know about programming language, just like a normal language, but when it comes to programming language, there are language we use to communicate with our computers. But human language is what we are used to communicate. Like as I'm speaking English, you can understand English. We're good to go. We don't have any problem. This is a human language, but for that of computer language, that's when we hear about something like Python, C++. That's just like saying English, Spanish, Japanese. That's just basically it. So when you hear about computer programming language, don't be scared. Just calm down. Think of it as a normal language. And then how long will it take you to learn a particular human language? And if it's in situation you want to learn Japanese, how long will it take you if you don't speak Japanese? So if you know how long it's going to take you, so that's equivalent to how long it's going to take you to learn some programming language. Some programming language might tend to be a little bit easier to learn compared to some of them. So what I want to pass in the message I want to pass is just that when you hear about computer programming language, don't be scared about like it's a kind of imaginary kind of a big heavy load for you to kind of know. Think of it as a normal language that will make use of. But in this way, if you're interested in communicating with computer, this is where you're going to like. If you're not interested in communicating with system, and you're not interested in communicating with computer, there's no need for you to learn it. So as if you're not interested in communicating another language because you don't want to learn it or you don't feel like learning it, you see that you will not be bothered learning it. So that's just basically it. So don't think of computer programming language as a kind of a heavy burden for you to actually learn. No. That if you're interested in learning communicating with system, like I said, or a laptop or your computer, basically learn it. So I think this should be it. If you enjoy, if you find this video anyway useful, like, subscribe, also share with your friends who might be having a similar progress. So I'll be happy to see you in the video. Thank you.